This was my skin just about 2 weeks ago. It was so angry, red, bumpy, textured, inflamed, like everything that could go wrong literally went wrong. And this is my skin now, just about a week later. So it's obviously not perfect, but man, are we out of the woods. So I wanted to make this video because I feel like it's something that a lot of us go through, and I wanted to share with you guys the really easy and like no fail ways with ingredients and products that I used to turn it all around in about 7 days. So we're partnering with Vita Cosmetics for this video. Most of my routine actually is from Vita because honestly they are my probably top 3 skincare brand. So let's rewind it back and let me walk you through quickly the story of the worst week of my skin's life. So day one, this is how it started. I just noticed that my chin was coming up with a few little bumps. This is kind of normal for me, and it was dehydrated, as you can see. Day two, it became like this. It's starting to get a little bit more red, and you can see up in the nose area that I also got 2 fresh ones. So it started traveling up. Now day 3 is when it starts to get really wild. You can see the inflammation and how angry it is really start to almost take over my chin. I have like a cystic pimple beard. Each day almost exponentially doubled. So I was like, okay, something is happening. But the show must go on because we were obviously like filming with Charlotte. And so I just popped a bunch of pimple stickers on, hoping that it would suck up all the pus, and then I will put makeup over it. This is already kind of like 7 out of 10 concerning. The next day I woke up and bam, it got even worse. It was filled with pus, and then it was also really dry in some areas because I was putting on like, you know, pimple cream. I was actually using adapalene, which is one of the stronger retinoids. And so that's why you'll see that it's a little bit drying. And then on the side, like that was a huge cyst. There was surface breakouts, like the pustules, but there was also deep cystic acne. I looked at Thomas and I was like, do you see this? Like, what's happening? And he just like hugged me. He didn't even say anything. It was probably like, didn't have the heart to tell me it was pretty bad. But what I learned is that it has to get worse before it gets better. Day 6, you can see even over just one night, the next morning, the like 3-dimensional cystic bumps flattened. This was only overnight. It's actually wild. And then a couple days later, I had to film, and so I put on my makeup and I was like, oh my gosh. And it actually looks so good. Like my skin is actually glowing. Damn, skincare be working hard. So that was the little 7-day horror that I faced. And looking back at this, it made me remember that one time when I went to an acupuncturist, she told me that when you're young, in your teenage years and your early 20s, breakouts and acne are mostly on the forehead and the cheeks. That's why teenage acne is always in those areas. Then as you get older, in your 30s, adult acne ages and beyond, it's always concentrated on the chin, and that's because our hormones change as we go older. So now that we've gone through the trauma, let's talk about our solutions. All I did was really focus on vitamin A and pairing it with soothing, calming, and hydrating ingredients. And this is because vitamin A helps to fight the bacteria, it helps with cell turnover, it controls the amount of sebum that's produced in your pores, and therefore when it's controlling the sebum, it's also minimizing your pores. It's literally doing everything for you. If you look at the picture, the rest of my face is actually quite flawless, like very even and supple. That's because I was actually using this. This is the product I've been talking about all year. It's the Pro-Cica Red A Essence. It has HPR, also known as Grand Active Retinoid, which is a vitamin A, but it's a next generation kind of retinol. If you want pore control, if you want help with texture, if you want minimized pores, anti-aging, because vitamin A is so well studied to help with collagen production and synthesis and all of that as well, this is your guy. So the difference between something like this and the adapalene, both vitamin A, just different forms, this is much stronger, but it really goes in to target very stubborn cystic acne. But something like this is your everyday retinol, where it's also formulated with calming, soothing, skin building ingredients. This is like my third bottle and I'm like out of it. There's no more. And that's why it's my holy grail essence. Then we need to help with texture, because if you look at your breakouts, every time the skin is broken, that skin needs to like shed itself. There's a lot of bumps and everything is uneven. Like you can literally see my skin is so coarse. And that's when I started implementing the Reedle Shot 100, because this is the best for evening out your texture and tone. So this one I've also talked about. I love the Reedle shots. Everyone that I've actually recommended this to, their skin is actually glowing. It is transformative. So the 100 is the one that you can use every day, and this is when I started to implement the 100 back. Actually, I don't have it anymore because I finished it during that week, but this is the 300. There's different intensities to it. And what the Reedle is a formulation of these microspicules that are covered with the Centella asiatica formula. And when you apply it onto your skin, it's able to get through the dead skin and release those soothing, calming Centella ingredients a little bit further than what your normal product can do. And the ingredients are able to pierce through that just a little bit deeper. Now, when I say deeper, it's still only the very epidermis of your skin. It's still that very top layer. It's not going anywhere like deep into your dermis. It's just able to get through the dead skin more than just your normal ingredient. Anything that you put on top is almost maximized. So it's able to penetrate through the roughness and the crusty, dehydrated layers of that most outer surface of your skin and really deliver the ingredients so that your skin can actually drink up the ingredients. So these are literally everything you need and more to tackle any skin concern. Something that I discovered in July and what I've been using is actually this guy. So it's almost the love child. If you combined these two, the Retta A and the Cica Reedle, this is both of these in one. So it's got the Retta A, but it's also the micro sponge technology, the Reedle shot in one bottle. Pretty much the same texture as the 100. It's still that gel-like formula, but what this does is literally just like combine the two things that I love most in one. I discovered this in July and posted a story about it because Vita actually sent the like box of all the different ones for us to try, and this is just one of them. They have, you know, the Hyla shot, they have the collagen one, and there's just a whole range. So if you love the sound of both of these and you just want one product, then definitely try this one. I love it. And speaking of their new formulations, they actually came out with a bunch of the masks. So this is actually the Cica mask, and I was using these throughout the week because the thing is with the 100 you can actually use it every day. So these are hydrogel masks, and I want to explain the difference between hydrogel and just your normal cotton mask because it's very different and far superior. Like I'm sure you guys have seen the crazy viral videos. These are the same thing, and if not, I think better because they've also added the Reedle technology into it. The texture of the mask is made from biocellulose, and what that means is that the sheet is able to actually hold the essence or the serum. So it's very different, and that's why you'll see it slowly like melt into the skin and fade away. This hydrogel type of mask is able to deliver more hydration to your skin over a longer period of time, which is exactly what we need to help with brightening, to help with skin texture, to get our skin back on track to its glowing self. At the beginning of the week, because I was dealing with a lot of redness, a lot of irritation, I was first using these two. And when I tell you I was using these every day, I'm not lying. This is the Hydrop Reedle shot, and this is the Pro-Cica Reedle shot. So When you didn't think it could get better, this is like soothing, calming on steroids. They extracted something called the Cica exosome. So basically the Cica gene, the DNA of the Cica, if you will. So you're getting like the core essence of soothing and calming of the centella plant. You first go in with the essence, which has all of those fabulous things that I just said, and then you put on the mask. And I have a tip for you guys: before you put on the sheet, push your eyebrows up, because when it sits on your face for 30 minutes or like an hour, it kind of just, it like shapes your brow. Because there's so many times that I leave my eyebrows drooping down and they're just like, a second. Ding. I love these so much. They fit so well. Okay, and then do whatever you want for about 45 minutes to an hour. That's what I like, and that's when you'll see it like slowly go more translucent. Whee! And the mask has a little bit of the essence as well. This one you don't need to have on for like 3 hours or overnight or some ridiculous time. It's about 1 hour, you peel it off, and you're done. Your face is so supple, it is so nice and just like ready for a moisturizer. And kid you not, I was using the Vita Glucamune. This is their new one, and so I was sent it and I was like, at first I thought it was boring, but I was like, okay, let's just test it. But I was like, what is this? And let me tell you, it wraps and cocoons your face and literally restores the health and the glow and everything to your skin, where like overnight, all those flaky bits you can see in the picture, gone. Like literally gone. I was like, damn. Even for me, I underestimated the power of skincare. So when I didn't feel like this one, I would use the Hydrop. The Hydrop Reedle shot. This one also has the Reedle, but also nano capsule hyaluronic acid. So it's got an ultra low hyaluronic acid to really penetrate into the skin and hydrate it on multiple levels and just hydrating your skin for longer. This one, at first when I used it, I felt like this didn't feel as prominent. It was actually much more subtle, because sometimes you feel the little tingles and pricks, right, of the 100. I didn't actually feel that as much with this one, which was interesting, but maybe that was just me at the time. And I'm just gonna take it off now because I'm gonna get ready. My pores are actually minimized. And then just pop a moisturizer on, and then your makeup will also sit flawlessly. I thought this was amazing. My skin is bright just through hydration. Then when my skin was pretty much calmed, it was like no texture, that's when I went in to use this mask. This is the Vita Light Reedle Shot, and this one's really interesting because in the essence, it's got something called Melazero V2, which is a skin brightening complex that helps with uneven skin tone and also hyperpigmentation. It's also got glutathione and niacinamide 5%. Then in the mask itself, because the mask contains a little bit of the essence as well, it's got L-ascorbic acid. So overall, this is the Hydrogel of brightening dreams. So I was using this mainly to help with brightening the more stubborn hyperpigmentation. And just remember, this is just the mask version. They've got the like whole bottle version as well. I do want to mention just in passing, the PDRN, I don't use this all the time, but for the week that my skin was like healing, I was using this one because the milky texture, it's actually like quite thick. But I was using it because this also heals those flaky bits. And then they also have the PDRN essence. If you're not looking for something with the Reedle, but you want these hydrogel masks that are super nourishing, pore minimizing, evening, they also have the PDRN. So I've talked about this one before. The PDRN essence is made out of Panax ginseng. So it's a vegan PDRN, it's not the salmon PDRN. So obviously Panax ginseng is a really great ingredient for the skin. It's anti-aging, it's very nourishing, helps with skin health. And I was just curious to see what other people thought about this. And there's glowing reviews. Like people are obsessed with these. The hydrogels are just where it's at, man. I don't know if I'll ever be able to go back to normal masks because of how great these are. If you've never tried these, when you peel it off, your skin is going to be like wet and like glossy and everything. Your skin literally looks and feels as though you finished your entire skincare routine. It's just soft, it's plush, it's brightened, and it's so good. But you still need to use a moisturizer. When you put it on, you can kind of feel the spicules, but what you do is just press it in. So guys, I hope you can see now that actually getting your skin back on track is not this huge complicated thing. Literally, you just have to find the ingredients that work, and these were the ones that worked for me. I love Vita. I highly recommend you try these. So guys, I hope you can see that bringing your skin back to health doesn't have to be so complicated. It doesn't take a long time, and if you use the right ingredients in the right time, then literally a week is all you need. I love these Vita products, and I'm going to continue talking about them because they're just literally game-changing, skin-changing, life-changing. Do you need everything? No, but do I highly recommend you check it out and try it for yourself? Yes. And there's also Black Friday sales coming up, so I'm gonna leave all the information and all the links that you can find them in the details, prices, and hopefully this is also a reminder that if you are going through any kind of tumultuous skin condition or traumatic like skin woe, it's okay, it happens to the best of us. I'm supposed to know what I'm doing, right? I'm supposed to have my skin handled, but that's just life and it just happens. So be patient with yourself, this too shall pass, and remember it has to get worse before it gets better, and it's all just part of the learning journey. So love you guys, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.